Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to avoid common mistakes when applying for an Upstart loan. So when applying for an Upstart loan, small mistakes can lead to higher interest rates or application rejection or delays. So here's how to avoid these common pitfalls. Now, the first thing is applying without checking your pre-qualification. So Upstart offers a pre-qualification tool that doesn't impact your credit score. Now, skipping this step and applying directly could result in a hard credit pull and a denial of your request. Second, providing incorrect information. So you got to ensure that your income, employment status, and personal details are all accurate, because overstating your income may lead to verification delays or rejection. Also, you have ignoring loan terms and fees. So you got to make sure that you always check the origination fees, as it is deducted from the loan amount. So borrowing exactly what you need without factoring in the origination fee deduction is a big mistake. Next, you have borrowing more than necessary. So you got to make sure that you only borrow what you can comfortably repay, because taking the maximum amount offered can lead to financial strains and higher interest costs. Also, you have not checking alternative lenders. Now, Upstart is a great option, but compare rates with lenders like Sophie, Lending Club, and Lightstreams, because that's going to help you find the best deals. So yeah, that's pretty much it on the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.